In this video, I'm going to go over how to create passive income streams. This is creating income streams where you do the work once, but you get paid over and over and over again for work that you've done in the past. My name is Rachel Esley, and this channel has videos all about creating passive income, making money online, growing your wealth and freedom. So if you're into that kind of stuff, stick around. Let's first get clear on what do I mean by passive income streams. Well, I mean passive versus active. There are active income streams where it is basically time trade for money. You work hard, very hard, put in lots of hours, and you are getting paid based on the amount of hard work and hours that you're putting in. Whereas passive income, you get rewarded by working smart, and the goal is to put in as little of hours as possible. So you have more of your hours in your days and in your life to do the things that you enjoy. Passive income is the key to time freedom, to not just financial wealth, but true wealth. True wealth is our time freedom and our overall freedom. And typically we all start with active income. We get a job, maybe in high school or college, and you get paid an hourly rate. Then perhaps you start your career and you're getting a salary and bonuses, maybe some commissions. But if you stop working, if you quit, if you get fired, if the company closes, that income stops. With passive income, we can set it up once and then reap the rewards for years to come. I think it's very important to get clear on why you want passive income. If you are clear on why you want it, then you will be more focused and dedicated to actually making it happen and not get so overwhelmed when it comes to the nitty-gritty of actually setting up the passive income streams. So get clear on why you want this passive income. What kind of freedom do you want? Do you want more time to spend with your family? Do you want more time and money to travel, go on vacations? Do you want to buy a better house? Do you want to just push yourself and reach your highest potential to prove it to yourself that you are limitless, there are unlimited accomplishments that you can achieve? Do you want to make a lot of money so that you can help others create real change in your community, in the world? Not everyone wants passive income, to be honest. Actually, not everyone really wants to make a lot of money, and that's okay. It's not that it's right or wrong, but you're here right now, so I'm assuming that this is important to you, so get clear on your why. It's also good to have multiple streams of passive income. So if one income stream does stop, because it doesn't mean that they'll last forever if they're passive, you will still have other streams of income. So if one stops, it's not that big of a deal. Let's say you have 5 passive income streams. One stops, you still have 4, and you could reset your focus and decide if you want to build up another one. And when you're first getting started, it is really hard to have your focus spread in 5 different directions. So I would focus in the beginning, just set up one stream of income. It's okay if it's not paying you that much. Maybe it's paying you under $100 a month, and then you move into the next one. Or you could say, I'm not going to move on to another one until I'm making $1,000 a month in one stream. There's lots of different types of passive income. I'm just going to go over a few right now and what I like about them and what I don't really like about them. So you can, as an entrepreneur, create a digital product, an online course, ebooks, and you can create it once and sell it over and over and over again. The thing with this, though, is sometimes you need to update your online course, and it does take quite a bit of time to actually get around creating your online course. So it still is a nice passive income source, and I have online courses and have made good money from online courses, but I also like to be an affiliate of my friends and colleagues' online courses, or promote as an affiliate online courses that I have been a part of and have gotten really great results from. I've also personally done e-commerce, and yes, you can really automate things, really systematize things, but it still takes a while to set up, and it still takes checking on and manual labor. Even if you've delegated and outsourced it, I think with e-commerce there's so many moving pieces that to me it's not really a great business choice if you're looking for passive income. Real estate is one of the most popular passive income sources, but the thing with real estate is there is that barrier to entry. You gotta make that initial investment or down payment, and it still takes a lot of time shopping around, doing the paperwork, getting tenants, getting new tenants. There are more passive investment opportunities with real estate, similar to stocks where you just invest, and same with stocks. You can be getting dividends every single quarter from the stock market, but to have any sizable amount where you could really live off of it, you would need a much higher amount invested. So I like affiliate marketing the most because you don't have to do fulfillment. With affiliate marketing, you find your offer and you send the traffic. You set up the traffic source. Sure, it might take a little while to find good offers, but it's not that hard to find highly converting, great paying offers. And then for the traffic sources, you just need to learn one or two methods and you can use that traffic source for multiple offers. When it comes to finding offers, I do like offers that if it's just a one-time payment, I like it to be higher ticket. And if it's a lower commission, then I do like it to be a monthly recurring. As far as your traffic sources, there's typically paid advertising and organic. The thing with ads is, while you can really scale it up and make a lot of commissions and create passive income for yourself, it still does take a lot of time in the beginning to nail down a winning ad set and a lot of testing with the ads. It's a lot of manual work. Plus, you run the risk of never making any money and then losing all of your ad investment. So not only are you losing time, losing money, you're not closer to that passive income. So it's not to say that ads don't work and that there's not great trainings and courses on how to run Facebook ads or Google ads, YouTube ads properly. And you can start small with a small budget until you nail it down. But for a lot of people, they want to start with free traffic. I really like free organic SEO traffic. That is YouTube videos, search engine optimized, keyword rich YouTube videos, and blog posts, web pages on websites. So when people are Googling for something, your website shows or your video shows. What I really like about this is you create the video just once or the blog post just once, and years later you can be continuing to get traffic and signups, which equals commissions. It does not take that long to create a video or to create a blog post or a website, and it is very scalable, a lot of room for growth. So just to recap, if you want to be creating passive income with affiliate marketing, first you want to find an offer, then you want to choose your traffic source. So let's say that is a website with blog posts, and then let's say you also make a matching YouTube video for that. I think that is such a great business. There's not a lot of overhead or costs at all. You don't need to hire a bunch of people, and when you put work into it, that work keeps working for you for years to come. So you can just keep compounding your growth. I would love to hear from you in the comments if you are building up your passive income streams. What kinds of things have you tried? What are you working on right now? If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a like so that YouTube will show you more similar videos and will show this video to more people that should see it. I'm going to link in the description box below some recommended resources, videos, if you want to get further down this path of creating passive income. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.